What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another banger of a video for you guys. Tonic fam, it's about to get crazy. This is why I keep telling you guys, now is the time you DCA and accumulate the projects that you believe in. And if Tonic is one of those projects, you better make sure you scoop up a good bag going into the next cycle, guys. In this video, we're going to be covering some crypto.com news and also the broader markets and what it means for Tonic as a whole and what the future of Tonic could evolve into. If this is something that you're interested in, Meme Coin Daily 1,280 subscribers, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tonic fam, I see you guys are showing a lot of love on my Tonic videos. Remember, consider this as free marketing. The more you guys support content creators and videos like this, the more they get pushed out into the algorithm, which could bring new eyes on the project, guys. Now when we hop over to Tonic, we'll see we're a bit down, just under the 10 million mark, 9,300,000. Tonic dips are for buying, okay? Tonic dips are for accumulation. Trade volume 76k in 24-hour trade volume, up 82%. 29,410 people have Tonic on their watch list. That number just keeps increasing, and the holders of Tonic keeps increasing as well. The community of Tonic just keeps growing on a consistent basis, and this is what we love to see in a project, guys. Tonic is one of those projects that you cannot fade. You can't pass up on a project like this. It did absolutely crazy numbers in the past, and it'll do so once again. You know the type of charts that I love to DCA into? Charts like this that are completely flatlined until we get new catalysts and new levels of parabola. On the 1 day chart, you can see we are in a bit of a retrace because we've come down from the $10 million mark. But we are ranging right now, guys. We are in a crab market, so we're gonna be sticking around that 9 million to 10, $11 million market cap range. We could dip lower depending, but we're following the lead market mover right now, which is Bitcoin. Now, say for example the Tonic team releases some catalysts, we could have moves to the upside because of said catalyst, but that could send the price, you know, get its steamrolling to the upside. But right now in a market like this, I really don't think this is something we should this is something the team should be doing. As you guys can see, look at Bitcoin on the 1 day chart. It just, retraced a bit, and so Tonic is following Bitcoin, guys. So right now, because of this sideways bear market, this crab market, just sideways on Bitcoin. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin. We're just in a range right now, and that's what's gonna happen with Tonic as well, because Tonic is an altcoin. When BTC drops, Bitcoin drops, Tonic will drop a bit further, right? But when Bitcoin moves to the upside in massive fashion, so does a project like Tonic. And like I said, a 10x, 100x, huge moves for the upside for Tonic are gonna be very easy to do because of its market cap. It has such a low market cap right now, under 10 million. So a 10x, 100 mil market cap, 100x, $1 billion in market cap. I've seen meme coins in the space that have reached to multi-billions of market cap, right? So 200, 300, 400x for Tonic. You can't rule it out. I always say it, guys. In crypto, anything is possible. Always expect the unexpected. There have been meme coins that got to multi-billions of dollars in market cap, and I'm not talking about Shiba or Dogecoin. A project like Tonic with such great use case, one of the leading projects on the Kronos blockchain. Who knows what could happen in the future? Multi-billions of market cap for Tonic could happen in the future. Even if it just hits around $1 billion to $2 billion in market cap, that's 100 to 200x, okay? You can't rule that out for this project, guys. Anything is possible in crypto, right? So yeah, right now I know a lot of investors are absolutely bored out of their mind. They're pulling their hair out. They have left the market. Majority of them have left the market. You guys, as the Tonic fam, the Crow fam, are still here. You guys are gonna be the geniuses and the superstars in the future. I'm telling you guys, this is the time you accumulate, you DCA into projects that you believe in, and then when the market finally turns around, we go into these bullish cycles. We go into the Bitcoin blow off top, the stock market blow off top, which I'll get into. A project like Tonic, like I said, will absolutely melt faces. It will crush it in a bull market. As crypto.com goes through its mass adoption phase, you know, there's gonna be a few crypto exchanges or crypto brands that get to mainstream adoption, that are safe, that people could trust, just like the Amazons and the, you know, Facebooks, the Metas of the world, you know, the Teslas of the world. There are certain brands that people are gonna trust and just continue to gain mass adoption, and because of a project's affiliation with said brands, they will become successful as well. This is why I really do believe, because Tonic is one of the heavy hitters on the Kronos blockchain, part of the the Crow ecosystem, the crypto.com, that will be one of the factors that, you know, retail investors are gonna see a project like this with all these zeros and be like, man, I could get so many shares. I'll get life-changing gains for this project in the future. So this is why I say you guys that are here right now are the geniuses. You guys are gonna be the superstars in the future. You buy low and sell high. That is the fundamental of crypto. You buy low, pretty much flatline sideways crab market trend chart, right? You buy low and you sell high. You know, you sell up here where, you know, you sell when we melt 2-3 zeros. That's when you sell. You know, this is what you guys need to do. So everyone that's supporting right now, pat yourself on the back, because you will be changing your life in the future. And you know, Tonic fam, hey, buckle up. It's gonna be a crazy time in the future. Saw something very interesting in the CoinMarketCap community section for Tonic. With so many Tonic holders, I think we should blast tweets on Twitter, get this project going for real. I mean, come on, we're in the future of not just crypto finance, but this is the future of finance, period. In my humble opinion, that nobody's asked me for, and I completely agree. Tonic fam, you guys continue to crush it. Spread the word of Tonic, support content creators, get the word out there. Free marketing. This is the best type of marketing, is word of mouth. A lot of people look to the team to, you know, spread the word of the project, but as a community member, could let people know about this project, spread the word of this project, and be confident to do so. This isn't a PP hot dog Inu coin, right? This is not you know, this is not some type of BS project. This is a unique DeFi project. And like I've said in my previous videos, the institutions and the bankers, the stock market money, are looking for new avenues to grow their wealth. At the end of the day, economies, countries are run on wealth, money, capital, and you know, the big institutional money, the huge money, the trillion dollar money is looking for new aspects to grow their wealth, and DeFi will be, you know, one of those factors that, you know, absolutely explodes for the institutions. Project like Tonic, that is so unique in the DeFi space, will carve out a huge amount of market share in the future. Now we have a tweet recently from crypto.com. We are pleased to announce the promotion of Eric Anziani to President and Chief Operating Officer, COO of crypto.com. Congratulations to Eric. So you guys see right here, you know, crypto.com had a lot of FUD recently. The FUD was warded off, defended. The FUD was crushed, you know, and the building continues, right? And you know, congratulations to Eric for the promotion of COO of crypto.com. Crypto.com will keep building and be one of the lead companies and brands when it comes to the crypto space in general. It will be one of the lead brands that everyone knows about, like I compared it to, like Amazon, for example, right? What will that mean for a Tonic, guys? Imagine all the new people in the Kronos ecosystem that will you know, just randomly stumble across Tonic when they're going through crypto.com exchange or VVS Finance, learning about DeFi, they will see a project like this and absolutely love it and will be super happy to get into a project like this. All it takes is time and patience. An interesting tweet from Rec Capital speaking about the broader market and BTC. In a BTC bull market, price can erase months of downside in a matter of weeks. It'll be worth the wait. That is what I'm talking about, guys. In a matter of weeks, we could have this huge run-ups. You remember, see this run-up back here in January? This huge run-up. We'll see that so much more when we're getting into the Bitcoin blow off top, because when we're in a bullish phase, a bullish market, all of the bears are gone. The leverage, the short leverage will get seized so much. Huge green candles to the upside are gonna happen furiously. A lot of people are gonna be in disbelief, just like how we are right now in the bear market. The bears are salivating. The bears are getting everything they want. A lot of people are in disbelief at how much the bears are, ruling the markets right now. It's the same thing when we flip bullish and then the bulls take over. Another tweet from Parabolic: more leverage in the system has just created a longer cycle. However, it has not reduced it. Now that all leverage has been wiped out, we're ready for the power pump. Blow off top, blow off top. Keep that in mind. It's still coming for BTC. 150k to 300k for the blow off top target. Bears, prepare the A word. this probably wouldn't get flagged by YouTube, but I don't feel comfortable saying it. But you know what it means. Bears, you need to prepare yourself. You're about to get wrecked, just like how you wrecked us, the bears. The bulls are about to start their wreckage. Okay, 150k to 300k for the blow off top target for Bitcoin. Imagine that. A move to 150k to 300k for Bitcoin. Imagine what a project like Tectonic would do with a move like that for Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin moves at its pace, and alts move even harder. When Bitcoin tanks, alts tank harder than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin moves up, alts move up much harder than Bitcoin. Keep that in mind, guys. A blow off top to these crazy levels. Imagine what Tonic's price would do. You can't rule out anything for crypto, guys. Expect the unexpected. From A Pablo: 2021 was a test pump, 60 to 69k double top. 2022 was a test dump, 15 to 20k shakeout. Shakeout indeed everywhere. Majority of people have left crypto. Like, engagement is so down, right? Viewership is just abysmal, right? 2023 will be the real pump, 75k to 120k blow off top. Keep that in mind. Blow off top. It could go past 120k. Who knows, right? Who knows what the top will be? But I'm definitely gonna think 80k to 150k for Bitcoin. Wouldn't rule that out at all. And then 2024 will be the real crash, 2k to 10k, the market bust, the absolute crash of the bubble. So you guys that are accumulating Tonic right now, whenever you see these levels for Bitcoin, start taking profits. Be smart. Because a lot of people are saying this, that I've seen from TA experts. I just found some of the recent tweets about it, that we'll have a huge blow off top to the upside. Everything will absolutely go to its most parabolic levels ever, and then we're gonna have a huge crash right after, which then would also coincide with the recession, the looming recession that could potentially happen, right? So make sure you're ready for the future blow off top. You guys secure your profits, and then whenever the market bust happens, you're good to go. You already got, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, because you accumulated at these lows. So you're ready, So you're gonna be chilling. You're not gonna be worried. Majority of other people outside of the crypto space, they're gonna be worried. They're gonna be like, why is everything so hard? Not you. You're a superstar because you're accumulating in the bear market, and you're gonna thank yourself in the future. You have a tweet from F Bargain: pick an amount of Tonic that you are comfortable with to lock for 4 years in a vault. Your future self will thank you for it. Tonic is a 24/7 money making machine. And then he has his Tonic locked in his and this is why I say DeFi is the future, guys. You'll never get this type of passive income in banks. 57% interest on your money, and since we're in a range, the price for Tonic is not dropping that much, right? We're just ranging around the 9 million to 10 million, 8 million to 11 million dollar range, around there. And you know, the price for Tonic is not dropping that much. The only thing that will happen for the future is moves to the upside. So all of the amount that he has staked right here, getting that passive income, will just benefit him more. Tonic fam, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed it, you made it this far, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is free marketing to get new eyes on the project, so we could get the word of Tonic out there to, you know, more and more people, so they could find out about this great project. If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me know what you think down in the comments section. Everything Tonic and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.